Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple and Easy Cooking. And today I'm making the very simple and quick recipe that you can make in breakfast, lunch, or you can pack in kids lunch, or whenever you want to eat snack that can easy, quick and healthy. So this is the recipe, you can make it and enjoy. And the recipe is egg paratha. So I already make for 2 parathas, so I'm gonna show how I make that one. For that I use 1 egg for 1 parathas, so I get ready for 2 bowls. So I'm gonna show how I make that mixer. Break 1 egg in the bowl, and then we need a little bit green chili, red onion that I'm using is finely chopped, and then little bit spring onion and cilantro. Add salt as your taste and black pepper. You can skip green chili if you don't like spicy. Now we're gonna mix it nicely. So our mixture is ready, and I'm using the whole wheat dough. You can see on my channel I already shared this recipe. So I'm gonna take about lemon size bowl that we can round it, and I'm turning on my stove. Now roll it. And now I'm gonna apply desi ghee, clarified butter. Spread it, but not too much, just a little bit. And then we take one side and do the halfway like this, and then the other side and do same thing. And now both of sides, so it's going to be like a skewer like this. And now we're going to roll it. At the time this one is going to be cooked, I'm making the second one. So when you can see, because we applied clarified butter inside, so it's gonna have the layers. And wherever you see it's easily open, you can just open it like a pocket. So the eggs go inside. Help with knife so you can open like pockets. So eggs go inside, and paratha assume this egg, and it's gonna be really tasty. But cook on slow medium heat. Just cook through. It's gonna be cooked on the top little bit, then we're gonna flip it. On the same time I'm making the other one. But this one I'm going to make in the triangle side. So we're going to do like this and then this. So now we're going to cook it on slow. You can see, you can serve this paratha like a roll. Yes. And now we're gonna make another one. I'm applying a little bit clarified butter. So you can see our paratha is ready. So now for serving, you can serve as a roll, or you can just cut it in the half like this. That way they are so easy for kids to handle them, or if you packing in the lunchbox, that way they are a lot easier. make this recipe at home and enjoy it, and let me know in the comment box that how you guys like this recipe, and tell me for the future videos if you guys want me to show any simple easy. You can request me, I'll surely try to make it. And thank you so much guys.